Hello, do you work here?
Hello, yes I do. My name is Mark.
I am Claire. I have a new house.
That is great. Do you have a garden?
Yes, but it is very empty.
Do you want flowers or trees?
I want many colorful flowers.
This is the right place. We have many options.
Everything is so beautiful here.
Thank you. We take care of our plants.
Is it difficult to grow flowers?
No, it is easy with the right tools.
I have no tools. I have nothing.
Don't worry, I can help you today.
Do you like working with plants?
Yes, I love nature. It is very quiet.
My garden is small but sunny.
Sunny gardens are the best for flowers.
What is that blue flower over there?
That is a lavender plant. It smells nice.
Oh, I love the smell of lavender.
It also helps you sleep at night.
I need that. Let's take 2.
Okay, 2 lavender plants for Claire.
What else do I need for a start?
You need good soil and water.
I have water at home.
You need a way to move the water.
You are right. I need a watering can.
Let's go see the roses.
Look at these red roses.
They are very popular this year.
Are they hard to keep alive?
They need a lot of sun every day.
My garden has sun from morning to evening.
Then these roses will be very happy.
How much water do they need?
Water them every 2 days in summer.
Should I put them in a big pot?
Yes, roses need space for their roots.
I like this white pot here.
It is a good choice. It is very strong.
Can I have 3 red roses, please?
Of course, I will put them aside for you.
My garden will be so red and blue.
It will look like a painting.
I am very excited to start.
Gardening is a very healthy hobby.
Do you have a garden at your home?
No, I live in a small apartment.
That is a bit sad for a gardener.
I have many small plants on my balcony.
A balcony garden is nice too.
Yes, I have tomatoes and peppers there.
You can eat your own food.
Yes, it tastes much better.
Maybe I can grow food too.
Let's start with flowers first.
You are right. One step at a time.
Let's find a watering can. Here are the watering cans.
This metal one is very heavy.
It is strong but hard to carry.
I like this green plastic one.
It is light and very easy to use.
Is it big enough for my flowers?
Yes, it holds 5 liters of water.
That is perfect for me.
Do you have a shovel?
No. Do I need a big one?
For a small garden, a small one is okay.
This one has a wooden handle.
It is very comfortable for your hand.
I will take this shovel too.
Now you have the basic tools.
Gardening is more expensive than I thought.
But these tools last for many years.
That is true. It is an investment.
Do you have garden gloves?
Oh, I forgot about gloves.
You need them to protect your skin.
Roses have thorns, right?
Yes, and they can be very sharp.
I don't want to hurt my hands.
We have yellow, blue, and green gloves.
I like the yellow ones. They are bright.
Try them on. Are they a good fit?
They are a bit big, but okay.
We have a smaller size in the back.
Thank you, Mark. You think of everything.
This is the best soil for flowers.
Why is it black?
It has many vitamins for the plants.
My garden soil is very gray.
Gray soil is often dry and poor.
So I must mix it with this black soil.
Exactly. Your flowers will grow fast.
How many bags do I need?
2 big bags are enough for now.
They look very heavy to carry.
I can help you carry them to your car.
You are so helpful. Thank you.
It is part of my job, Claire.
What are these small packets?
Those are seeds for sunflowers.
Sunflowers. They grow very tall.
Yes, they're like big yellow suns.
Can I grow them from seeds?
Yes, just put them in the ground and wait.
How long is the wait?
You will see a small plant in 1 week.
That is very fast. I want them.
One packet has 20 seeds.
20 sunflowers. My garden will be a forest.
A very beautiful yellow forest.
Do birds like sunflowers?
Yes, they love to eat the seeds in autumn.
I love birds. I want them in my garden.
Then sunflowers are perfect for you.
I will take 2 packets of seeds.
Claire, look at this small tree.
It is a lemon tree.
Yes, it can grow in a pot.
It has 1 small yellow lemon.
It is real. You can smell the leaf.
It smells very fresh, like summer.
This tree is very easy to love.
Can it stay outside in winter?
No, it must come inside when it is cold.
I can put it in my living room.
It will be a nice decoration for your house.
Does it need a lot of water?
Just a little water every week.
I really want a lemon tree.
It is a bit more expensive than flowers.
That is okay. It is a special tree.
I will give you a small discount today.
Really? Why?
Because you are a new gardener.
That is so nice of you, Mark.
We want people to love their gardens.
I already love my future garden.
Do you have a car for the tree?
Yes, I have a small car outside.
The tree will fit in the back seat.
I must drive very slowly.
Yes, be careful with the lemon.
I don't want it to fall off.
I will wrap it in some paper for you.
Thank you. You are the best gardener. Do I need anything for bugs?
Some bugs are good for the garden.
Really? Like what?
Ladybugs and bees are very important.
I like ladybugs. They're cute.
They eat the bad bugs on your roses.
So I don't need chemicals?
No, try to be natural. It is better.
I want my garden to be safe for everyone.
That is a very good philosophy.
What about the birds?
You can buy a small birdhouse.
Do you have them here?
Yes, they are in the next section.
This one looks like a small cottage.
It is made of cedar wood. It lasts long.
I can paint it blue to match my lavender.
That is a very creative idea.
Will the birds find it?
Yes, if you put some seeds inside.
I will buy bird seeds too.
You are a very busy shopper today.
I am building a small world.
A garden is a small world for many creatures.
It makes me feel very happy.
Gardening is good for the heart.
I agree. I feel relaxed already.
Let's put everything on the cart.
My cart is very full now.
Let's go to the checkout. Okay, let's count everything.
I have the roses and the lavender.
And the soil, the seeds, and the tree.
Don't forget the shovel and the can.
And the birdhouse and the gloves.
It is a lot of things.
The total is $150.
Here is my credit card.
Everything is okay.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Yes, here it is. Keep it for the warranty.
Do the plants have a warranty?
Yes, for 30 days. If they die, come back.
I will try my best to keep them alive.
I am sure you will be great.
Can I have some boxes for the flowers?
I have these wooden boxes. You can keep them.
They are very nice boxes.
They're good for moving plants.
Mark, you were very patient with me.
It was a pleasure to help you, Claire.
I learned so much today.
Come back if you have questions.
I will, maybe next month.
I will be here. I work every day.
Do you ever get tired of plants?
No, every plant is different.
That is a nice way to think.
Let's move this to your car now.
Thank you. I am ready.
Everything is in your car now.
The lemon tree is safe in the back.
And the boxes are in the trunk.
Thank you for your help, Mark.
You are very welcome. Have a nice drive.
The sky is very beautiful now.
Yes, the sunset is orange and pink.
It is time for me to go home.
Good luck with your new garden.
I will send you a photo when it is finished.
I would love to see it.
Should I send it to the shop email?
You can send it to my personal phone.
Okay. What is your number?
It is 555098.
Got it. Thank you.
Now I must close the shop.
I am the last customer.
Yes, it was a good way to end the day.
My garden will be great.
She will be a good gardener.
I have roses and lavender.
I have a new friend.
Life is good.
Nature is beautiful.
Goodbye.
See you soon.